Can you tell me where babies come from?
Your tummy.
They come from my tummy? How do you know that?
Because you grew me in your tummy.
Because I what?
You grew me in your tummy.
I grew you in my tummy? I did?
Yeah.
Oh. But how does the baby get in my tummy?
It grows. It grows will you grow up.
How does it get in there, though?
It gets in there. How?
Look at the camera, sweetie.
When you're I think food grows into babies.
Food, you think?
I think.
Grows into babies?
Yeah.
You think so, huh?
And then while you're eating, the baby grows more.
You think so?
Yeah.
Or do you think people just get fat from eating?
Whoa, it turned big.
Does Mommy have a baby in her tummy?
No, not right now, because I'm your son.
You're what?
Because I'm your son.
Because you're my son?
Uh-huh.
Oh, so that means I can't have any more sons?
Only if you get married again.
Oh, okay. So you have to be married to have a baby then, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. And who was I married to?
My dad.
Your dad?
Uh-huh.
I was married to your dad?
Uh-huh.
Oh. And then what happened?
You got apart? You broke apart?
Oh, okay.